Hello and welcome to Grande Caravans. My name is Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grande. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of an Elegance Grande 845 2020 model. So this is the last remaining model that we've got in stock, but with everything that's gone on this year, it's just arrived to us here at Grande from the Swift factory. So in fantastic condition, and not many people have stepped foot in it so far. So just going to take you on a short tour of that particular caravan now. So the Elegance Grande range being the top of the range twin axle 8 foot wide caravan that Swift have to offer. Transverse island bed and rear bathroom in a fantastically well spec'd 4-berth layout. Wonderful carbon fibre finish on the front locker box. You've got your ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. The Elegance range benefiting from the completely woodless construction method, thereby having a 25-year water ingress warranty and a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. You have an external barbecue point, access to underneath that front couch, and also an external 240-volt socket. You've got the wonderful finish on the side of the caravan going all the way down the side. And then one of the other great benefits is this rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed. With it being an Elegance, you're benefiting from 2 Alco wheel locks as part of the standard item with the caravan, and also an onboard water tank. One of the other key features as well is the reversing camera, which is an LCD screen which Bluetooths to the back of the caravan, giving you that reversing camera, but also giving you a GPRS sat-nav. So stepping inside the caravan, we've got that wonderful diamond effect illuminated splashback, high quality finish on this wonderful kitchen area with short worktop extension. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill, with an easy usable height microwave just above the kitchen area. Also benefiting from an omnivent in the kitchen area and a medium-sized hecky light at the front, and that beautiful panoramic sunroof, again letting a huge amount of light into the caravan. The wonderful curved locker effect that you see here in the 2-tone, only found in the Elegance range. And then the beautiful hand-selected Elegance fabric scheme. So only in this range we find this high-quality finish on the furnishings. Individual touch-on spotlights dotted throughout the caravan. You've got your main Swift command panel above the habitation door, and also benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating. The Swift command panel allowing you mobile connectivity via the Swift command app to control your caravan at a distance, but also via Bluetooth when sat inside. Tracking device built in, and built-in digital DAB radio, which in the side here you'll also find this section here where you can plug a auxiliary point in to be able to connect up to it via your iPhone, tablet, or any device you may have. Further storage in a cupboard above and below to the habitation door, with your television point located there. You have got a jack point at the front there with USB points and also a 240-volt socket, and these beautiful pleated blinds. As we step through to the centre, this is where you really find in an 8 foot wide caravan that you've got an abundance of space. A nice tall larder fridge freezer, so separate fridge freezer with storage above. And then stepping into the bedroom, we've got some wonderful cabinetry and plenty of space to be able to store all of those amenities with your caravan. You have a second television point located here where you can pop a TV in the bedroom, just next to the vanity mirror, and also a concertina blind to shut that bedroom off should you need. This little cupboard here with further storage, but the key thing is that freestanding table for the front of the caravan for your evening meals. Further storage located underneath, and now we look at the transverse island bed. So the 2 lockers finished above the top, the same and matching the front. An idea of what the blind looks down, the fly screen looks like when that's down there, and a generous sized hecky light in the bedroom area. One of the great things about the 8 foot wide models as well is how easy you can move around the end of this bed. Plenty of further storage located to the left hand side of that transverse island bed, as we step into a generous sized bathroom area. So individual shower cubicle with hanging rail above. Water saving shower head. You have the vanity mirror and a wonderful well finished sink by the illuminated washroom mirror. Further shelving space and plenty of storage space dotted throughout the toilet area, with speakers also dotted at the back and a small hecky light allowing natural light to come throughout the caravan. So that gives you a good feel and a good understanding for what the Elegance Grande 845 has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us here at Grantham. We'd be more than happy to help you, but we hope we can do business with you. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.